Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we're talking about how to close account on Indeed. Maybe you have found a new job or you no longer need your Indeed account and you want to close it. So today I'm going to show you how to close account on Indeed. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Indeed application and log into your account. After that, tap on these three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. In this page, tap on the Settings tab. Then in this Settings page, tap on Account Settings. Here, scroll up to the bottom of the page and tap on this red Close My Account option. After that, you will be asked to provide a reason for closing your account. Choose the most relevant option. Once you are done choosing, scroll up and tap on this Close My Account button. After that, Indeed will receive your request to close your account and it is now being processed. Once you have closed your Indeed account, all of your saved job searches, job alerts, and other account data will be deleted. Your resumes and job applications will also be removed from the site. If you want to save any data from your Indeed account, make sure to download it before closing your account. There you go. If you wanted to know how to close account on Indeed, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to close account on Indeed, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.